The dust bag assembly consists of the fabric dust bag, a wire bag support, and the elbow fitting to attach it to your tool. Most problems with the dust bag involve the fabric bag. The bag can tear, and the stitching around the zipper can be torn. Replacing the dust bag is simple to do, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
The dust bag will work with several different Porter cable tools, such as circular saws or belt sanders. The tools that the dust bag is compatible with will have a dust port. In this case, it's covered with a small door. I just lift the door up and insert the bag into the opening. There's a detent on the elbow that'll help to hold it in place. And that's how simple it is to install a new dust bag on your power tools. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.